up? So today we are in Jalan Legian Street and show you how is Legian Street at night time. Yesterday we were in Canggu in Brawa to show you how is the vibe, but today let's see how is it, because nowadays is a holiday season, so must be busy. Like behind me, the restaurant pack of people.
Yeah, it's actually pretty busy today, which is very happy to see. That's the German restaurant Mama's. One of my favorites on the street, obviously, with the cows and everything. I mean, the only statue of the cow, obviously. But check this out, the Vietnamese. Also my second favorite restaurant here in Legian Street. Actually, I like Vietnamese food very much. It's actually busy and packed of people. They have a nice people in general. Hello. Okay, let's have a stroll a little bit and let's see what's going on. There's a little bit of the traffic situation, at least here, because there is the junction of Benasari Street, always pretty busy. But you see the people. Hello, how are you doing? You see, quite busy, not that bad at all. I'm gonna tell you, at least the traffic situation, because the Gang Benasari is here, like I mentioned. So here is always busy. But let's see how's the party scene, how's the other restaurants, establishments going. Why not? But definitely more local Indonesian tourists everywhere around, because the holidays started yesterday. So cool. And that's the Gang here, the corner. You can go there, and here Jalan Benasari Gang, like this one. Okay, let's go. Chop. Let's go. And this is the bro here selling something, some transportation or something, whatever. And currency exchange. Currency right now is a little bit very low because of the holidays, Indonesian holidays. Actually supposed to be higher than is it. And then when we pass the Jalan Benasari is the pad bar. Also alright, not bad at all. Some people enjoying their sports and their food, their lunch. Here we go, also local, Indonesia. Guy casually driving on the footpath. But after that, the traffic situation is finished and it's empty. Actually, exactly the same like it was last time when I was filming here a few weeks ago. Yo, what's up? That's me behind the camera, just in case if you already forgot my face. Yeah, so like I mentioned, where is the Vietnamese food and the Mamas is busy because there's the corner of Benasari. But here already it's pretty, I'm not gonna say very quiet, but not much is going on. But hold on, this is the Legion Club. And this is the Legion. Loud bikes. And this is the Legion Club, pool and bar. Also pretty empty. However, the hostess waiting for you to invite you to come to the club. But they didn't invite me to get to the club.
Yeah. So I don't know. Maybe because we are not dressing up so elegant.
We definitely can see we don't have money already from the outlook, right? Anyways, that's how does it look like. Well, I mean, moderate traffic situation. I'm gonna tell you. I just wanna show you a little bit around the Legian Street right now. Yesterday we were in Canggu, as Winnie said, and as you saw yesterday, today is Legian. Who knows where we're gonna be tomorrow? You know, every single day. This is nice restaurant here, but also empty. There's the Joker bio, what's up? Joker. Yeah, some lad enjoying his lunch. 14 Roses Hotel. Let's see the registration of the cars. Actually, like this one, T. I don't know where the T is coming from, but this is not Balinese. So some tourists, local Indonesian, and so many very loud bikes around. There are local kids actually driving. Warren Quina since 1994, obviously here. A little bit more successful, obviously. Here we go. Some people enjoying. Live band, actually cool, why not? Some lads having the lunch, some shops, some boutique, the one hotel. No, just regular day in Legian Street right now in 2023. It's totally nothing like it was, not even close like it was last time. But this, well, that's the new reality, the new normal, how they advertised after the opening the borders, obviously, right? Oh yeah, that's how it is. Some business here, some people driving. Yeah, some people working time to time. I'm not gonna say no, like those lovely family here. And some local domestic tourists. Obviously there's the tattoo, the guy sleeping in the tattoo shop waiting for customers, actually both of them. So some Indian couple here probably also trying to deal something, but overall it's pretty sleepy for Legian vibe, I could say. Boys playing the chess here, and here something, yeah, like this. At least the bottle openers are funny here. They have a badminton inside, actually. Cool, nice. Locals choose place to play badminton. That was actually some nightclub, I think. And then it's everything for 100,000. Still here, many tattoo shops again, open again. Empty gap, coffee pot at the front. Here is a very nice place. It's called Coffee Pot. Probably the only one restaurant here, but still having gamelan inside. Pretty nice actually, coffee shop, old school, some lovely customers here, guests. The name of the place, Coffee Pot. Somebody told me that one of the very first restaurants on Legian Street, so it's here, it's open. And overall situation on the streets look like this one. For 8 o'clock, doesn't look optimistic, and for everybody who's saying us later at 11 it's more busier, definitely not much more busier. Even if so, it's just slightly busy. Overall situation looks like this one. Let's go there. There is the Kuta, and there are some proper clubs, nightclubs. Some time ago here was the Bintang bar. It's also gone. Actually there's only fence and the sign. What left? Nothing is there inside. I can see all the building gone. Overall I have a feeling this is just simply pretty quiet, but it's not about today, about judging or telling is it quiet, is it busy. I just want to show you how it is. However, Kuta, there, where is the Sky Garden, may be busier. Just overall, the part of Legian Street between Mamas and where I am now is just like it is. Burger King is open, that's good. Sometimes after party you need to have some proper burger, so you can eat, no problem. Or maybe Masakan Padang, perhaps, also nice. As last time we mentioned today also, they changed the dresses, sayang. Now they have a black, last time was red. But yeah. Nice looking spa, and one of the bars, I think the owner must have a nice Mercedes here. But after that, doesn't look very optimistic. The Brothers nightclub, but it's nice. Indonesian music sounds like, yeah. It's like an Indo vibes.
One thing is about this Legian Street. Well, totally whenever I walk here, it reminds me about many walking street in Thailand. It's not Khao San Road. Khao San Road is different vibe, but here just slightly, I don't know, like same but different. But the thing is that in this Legian, so deadly quiet. Even at this time, normally packed of people when normal time, but here it's just like different.
Then we have a corner of Ground Zero Kitchen now. That's the newest restaurant open at the front of the obviously Ground Zero, which is the bomb monument here. Also normally so many people making pictures. And yeah, today yes also, but 100% of people who are here today right now, they're actually tourists from other islands of Indonesia. Some of them still wearing masks, by the way. This is their choices. It's not compulsory, obligatory to wearing, but seems like still many people, especially from Jakarta, from Surabaya, wearing. That's their choice. And obviously VIP is closed. This place is open, the Sunday kitchen. Anyways guys, next week at Friday, not this Friday, next week Friday, I'm flying to Perth, Western Australia. Not the first time in Australia, but for the very first time in Australia on this YouTube channel. So it will be something very interesting, something totally fresh, something totally different. Let's see how is the nightlife in Perth, if it is any nightlife in Perth, because I don't know. I was staying only in city center for the 2 nights last time. So also if you're in Perth, would you like to catch up, having a coffee, or maybe good pizza, because I don't know what I'm gonna eat there. Or in general, would you like to catch up, or maybe you have a time to show me around or something like that? Let me know in the comment section, and yeah. So this is the corner of the Jalan Tropis 1. I don't know why everybody's standing here and just not moving. what's going on, little bit of the traffic situation by the people. You can get inside the Poppies lane in case if you would like to. And we are going here to show you a little bit of the area of the Sky Garden. Sky Garden is open eventually, guys. What I'm gonna tell you, it's open. I don't see much people coming in, but the Sky Garden just itself, in case if you ask, is open. Now open 7 days a week, and loud music and all of this stuff kind of vibes back. Also 5GX, also only local people, Indonesians here, as you can see there and here. Yeah, Sky Garden, little bit of the view, here we go. Engine room, so everybody who is interested. Very loud, that's for sure. And yeah, and that's the J4 Hotel with the golden wrap BMW Z4. Some locals people, actually only local people here today. The lady is selling something, also cool. Big place for rent, Embassy Bali, Sky Garden from the different perspective. I just want to show you a little bit one more time. I think actually the most of the crowds here are local Indonesian people.
Yeah.
Actually local Indonesian only.
I think for the 8 Mubarak holidays, so like all the government offices actually close for 1 week. So it means that it is a quite long holiday. So gladly that, you know, some people, some locals, domestic tourists coming, but I don't know, seems like nobody going up there.
Nobody. Okay, as we're here, let's have a quick look to the Bandi discotheque and the party. And yeah, let's see. Right, and this is the Bandi discotheque with, of course, very loud music now. Many locals passing by, but doesn't look like many people getting in. Very loud music. I cannot hear myself what I'm saying, actually, to be honest. Also here, you see the massage ladies and some lads passing by with bintang in the hand. This is also one of the nightclubs. It's called LXXY, with the swimming pool on the top and the same buffet food and stuff like this one. However, it doesn't look very optimistic as this crowds anymore. Normally at this time, years ago, it should be already busy, or it's getting busy. I'm not saying crazy busy, but should be busier when it is now. Also some restaurants behind.
Also, there is one restaurant over there, only a couple, only one couple there sitting and enjoying the food. So yeah, what I can say that the traffic is just like, you know, motorbike, cars, just crossing by, passing by, but seems like not many people are going into the club or going into the restaurant.
Alright guys, so as we mentioned yesterday, the situation is very simple. In Canggu, in Seminyak, but especially in Canggu, also Luvatu as well, you have a beach clubs with the also very loud music next to the beach. And here in Legian, Kuta Legian, you have a clubs, like a night clubs, also with the super loud music, as I couldn't hear myself what I'm saying actually previously. I don't know if you can understand what I said here. And these clubs are since early 90s actually, over 30 years already here, and the beach clubs are in Canggu, the new one. And also many local Indonesians were passing these nightclubs right now, and nobody get inside, but the same locals going to the night beach clubs in Canggu, for example. So this is all about the trends and well, that's obviously current situation in Bali right now. If you're standing here right now, I cannot hear pretty myself because there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nightclubs where are empty, and all of them they playing very loud music. So it's even worse than on the beach, to be honest. But that's how it is. It's kind of equivalent of Pattaya in Thailand, or Bangkok, some streets, or Khao San Road, as Winnie said. Just simply in Thailand or in Vietnam, it's very busy at night. Here is just simply not busy at all. Not busy at all. That's how it is. At least some locals here enjoying their time dancing outside. Yeah, I just wanted to show you a little bit how does it look situation on the Legian Street, just for everybody who are missing the place. Let me know in the comment section what do you think. Big thumb up for me to making these videos. It's actually not that easy. How does it look like? It's still hot, but no complaining about any heat anymore. Thanks so much. See you tomorrow on next one. See ya. Take care. Also, happy beer bus is coming. Check this out. Check this out. Yo, 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 yo. Mullet, mallet. Yo, yo, what's up, mallet? Can I have a mallet like this? Hey, another one. Check this out. Oh, this one does sleepy already.
Oh, this one the parent.
Oh, yo.